Traditional grocery retail is time-consuming. Did you know that the average shopper spends approximately 300 hours per year in a supermarket? We believe that time-poor, digitally savvy consumers are struggling to ensure they eat a healthy, varied diet and are resorting to unhealthy takeaways in the search for convenience. Sourced direct from our trusted suppliers, we do the planning and prepping, allowing you to spend more time on the things you love. Cook's mission is to empower you to become your own chef and grow your skills and confidence in the kitchen. We make your life easier by working out a convenient way for you to make healthy and fresh meals. Convenient, healthy, simple, quality at-home cooking. Be your own chef with Cooked. At the onset of the corona crisis in Nairobi, my comms with my sister exploded, with recipe requests, ingredient help, menu planning, you name it. You see, she's not a natural cook, and it all came to a head one morning when I drove to her house and made her pizza dough, all the while thinking I wish I could put everything she needs in a box and send it with the instructions. At the same time, I found myself juggling 3 small children while working from home, often late into the night. I found that on most nights, I had very little time to make a delicious fresh meal at home and would end up reheating leftovers or ordering fast food, which was not sustainable. Speaking to friends and family, I found that I wasn't alone in this problem. At Cooked, we aim to deliver convenient, simple, healthy, quality at-home cooking experiences, providing our customers with an innovative way to shop and cook healthy meals at home. We provide fresh ingredients, prepped and perfectly portioned, with easy-to-follow recipes delivered to your door and soon available from leading retailers, making it easier to cook a healthy, fresh meal at home. Our solution appeals to ABC1 young urban professionals, individuals, couples or families aged between 25 and 45 years whose monthly household income is above $100,000. In Kenya, the retail industry is worth approximately $7.4 billion. Of this, our target market is the upper income population, which currently stands at about 680,000, of which we estimate half of these to reside in Nairobi. Reaching 34% of this population would imply a serviceable, obtainable market of $120 million. These numbers demonstrate the size of the market should each household purchase a monthly subscription plan over the course of 12 months. Our business comprises of a B2C product alongside a B2B2C one. We've already launched our direct-to-consumer online delivery meal kits with prices ranging from 650 to 750 shillings and an average order value of approximately 2,500, giving us healthy margins as we source the best quality ingredients in large quantities direct from our trusted producers and suppliers. In terms of B2B2C, our ready-to-cook products will focus on quick and easy, crowd-pleasing favorites and will be available off the shelf in leading supermarket chains, providing a simple solution for on-the-go customers. We tested the retail channel with great success leading up to Christmas with our special mince pie kits. The retail channel will enable us to cost-effectively build our brand and help in acquiring new customers to our online distribution channel. We at Cooked are innovating how our target customers will shop for and cook food at home, and we believe we're uniquely positioned to do this. There's myself, a private equity professional and founder of the largest regional investor association, growing it from 7 founding members to almost 90 from across the region in sub-Saharan Africa. I was most recently a vice president at Emerging Capital Partners, one of Africa's oldest and largest PE firms, with over $3 billion in assets under management. ECP is best known for its acquisition and exit of the Java Group. I'm joined by John, who is one of Kenya's most talented young chefs. He brings a wealth of restaurant experience and culinary expertise, having worked in the finest establishments in Kenya, Switzerland, and Sweden, including a Michelin-starred restaurant within Le Trois Rois Hotel in Basel. Lastly, we brought Martin on board as our Chief Operating Officer. Martin has over 9 years' experience in the food and beverage market in Kenya, including founding a leading B2B food manufacturing business. And he brings deep operational and logistics experience, business development, and strategy expertise. In the 6 months that we've been operating, we've incorporated in both Delaware and Kenya and made our first hire. Over a period of 3 months, we've packed and delivered 300 plus meal kits to over 110 customers. We also began establishing relationships and supplying a number of retailers in December and aim to expand our location footprint to 6 large retail chains by the end of 2021. We'd love to start discussions with potential investors with the aim of working towards a close in the first quarter of 2022. Our fundraising will enable us to expand our production capacity, grow beyond Nairobi, and develop an app for subscribers. We aim to become the leading multi-product and multi-channel brand that continues to create value for our customers and believe we're the right team to bring this to life. So, be your own chef with Cooked.
Hey guys. Hey.
Hey, Mom.
Hi. Well, welcome.
Thank you.
That was a great presentation, Noni. Welcome, Cooked team.
Thank you.
I have a few questions for you here, just to elaborate on some of the topics you've raised during your pitch, Noni. And I'll start with John. So John, you have a very exciting background. You've worked with Michelin star restaurants in Europe. You've worked with big hotels here in Kenya. You're the creator of the Cooked recipes. What would you say is the secret sauce for Cooked?
So I would probably break down the secret sauce into 3 elements. The first one would be my personal touch. So whenever I'm developing the recipes, I always think to myself, what would I love to cook for myself, for my family, for my friends, and what kind of experience do I want? And also when we're developing the recipes, we always do it like a team or a family, and we cook together or test the recipes out together and tweak them in terms of what we'd want to change. And the second element I would say is my industry experience. So for instance, how to operate like a kitchen in terms of prep, sanitization, and just tying everything together. And then the second thing and the most important thing for us would be our customers and the feedback. So whenever we're developing a recipe, we always send it out to the customers, a select few, that try out and test the recipes and always give us feedback in terms of like what they found difficult or what they'd like us to change or what the general experience was. And then we'll come back, we'll tweak it, and then send it out to the masses.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Awesome. Okay, sounds great. And thank you for that answer. So the second question is Cooked a niche or a mass market product?
I think that's a great question, Salam. And we're targeting a growing market of customers who visit the supermarket or other modern groceries for their everyday dinner plans, and instead offer them our habit-forming products, that offer a fresh, healthy and convenient experience.
Mm-hmm. Nice. That sounds great. And what have you learned so far about your customers?
I would say we've learned quite a lot actually, but the 2 main things for us would be that first of all there's demand for it and there's a need for it in terms of like people don't have the time to plan and go shopping and develop like a whole healthy menu. And then the second thing was that people want something that's as easy as possible. So we've done a lot of the back work and doing the prep from the sources, so making the steps as few as possible to the finished product for the clients, and yeah.
Nice. All right, and final question. Have you started fundraising or are you planning to fundraise in the near future?
So we definitely want to start having conversations with investors from today. And having been on the other side, I know how long fundraising can take. So we want to use the time to develop relationships with them and to allow investors to see how we work as a team and to see our business grow. But I anticipate in an ideal scenario, we'd have a close in the first quarter of 2022.
Right. Awesome. Well, thank you so much again and good luck building the Cooked brand.
Thank you.
Thanks for having us.